大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This is our 11th lesson of the series Learn Chinese Characters with Pictures and Stories. 话说中文。In this lesson, you will learn 4 words on nature. Shan, Tron, 石, 土. In just 3 minutes, you will remember them all. Without further ado, let's get started. The first word we are going to learn is Shan. Shan. It means mountain. How can we remember this word? Look at this picture. When we look at the mountains, they are always the highest one. So this long line represents the highest mountain. And around the highest mountain, there are some smaller ones. So we use 2 short lines to represent it. And this is the base that link everything. So this is the word Shan. So we can remember it in this way. Now let's write them together. So the first stroke is the longest line. Then is the left line. Sharp turn into a horizontal line. And the right line. Here we have it, the word Shan. Shan, it means mountain. The next word we are going to learn is Tron. Tron, it means a river. So basically, it's just 3 lines, but the left one is with a little bit of curve. So it's like the shape of the river with a little bit of curve. So let's write it together. So from the left to right. The middle one is the shortest one. This is the word Tron. Tron. It means river. The next word we are going to learn is 土. 土. It means soil. How can we remember this word? So do you see here, this is 2 lines because the soil always has some depth. So we use 2 lines to represent it. And from the soil grows the trees or grass. So there's a line in the middle. So this is one way to remember it. Let's write the word together. The middle one. This one is longer than the first one. So this is the word 土. 土. It means soil. The next word we are going to learn is 石. 石. It means stone. How can we remember this one? Do you notice here? This is it's just a square. Do you see here? It's just a square. Those stones are of different shapes, but we use a square to simplify it. And we see here, and this part can be seen as the cliff because we can always find stones near cliffs. So let's write it together from the top to bottom, from the left to right. So this is the word 石. 石. It means stone. So how's it going? Please leave it in the comments below. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload the video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。